You may say you know the K attack and you catch it pray. Make sure you subscribe to Chadimori TV. Comment, like and share. You know so if you click the notification bell because it's right there.
You know it's your boy DJ Chaddy and I'm back again. People are going. Only hope everybody are live good on the Sunday. Only hope everything are going smooth on the Sunday. Only hope there's no drama on the Sunday. John, you know say me not easy. And you know say a drama me fall to talk about. You see me mix up and blender. So before we go into the drama, before we go into the mix up, I would like you to just hit that subscribe button. If for the first time you watch my video, yeah man, just click the subscribe button now and turn on post notification. You see me? So anytime I release videos like these, you're gonna be the first to know. So before we go into the drama, before we go into the mix up, what me want you to do, just check out that video here, man. Me I tell you say you see that girl here, you see that new artist here, we forward on the market. Me I tell you say she bad. She name Mayan, you see it, and she have a song. We name ABC or 1, 2, 3. And no, I no count your account or say ABC, you see me. But the song bad, so you know what more you do? Just check it out and tell me in the comment section if she bad.
Easy like ABC, now 1, 2, 3. If a boy no come good, no him can't look on me. Me no easy like ABC, now 1, 2, 3. No boy can't frighten me with big car, no money.
So you know, say the first thing people normally judge people off of them looks, them appearance. And me I tell you, that girl you hot. Right now I feel the heater come through the computer screen. So people, yeah, she sound good too. Yeah man, she not really just hot and pretty and all those lovely things, but she actually sound good and she a flow up on rhythm. She actually sound good. You see me no know, probably she can go so booms and come take section see them spot. Me no know, me just a say something. You know some love the drama. Anyhow, a little bit more on Mayan, ABC, 1, 2, 3.
Nothing nah give it so. Big talk alone nah get you none. I know idiot boy no nah in a run. I know no accident for you go it and run. Wanna move off a better yes girl. Left that for some big waist girl. I know every man touch real that girl. Feel up oh, me no sweet top girl. Nah easy like ABC nah 1, 2, 3.
Amayan say so, I know me wanna move off a butter yes girl. Anyway still, so the next topic we want to talk about is Facebook hero. And when me am a Young Prince, Young Lord, no not Alkaline. I think a Young Prince in name or Lord Prince, yes that's the correct name. Lord Prince and another girl when name the female boss aka Chrissy, she named Chrissy. So apparently Lord Prince and Chrissy them did in a relationship or something of the sort. Like them did married or something like so. So you know say Chrissy got some booms and file for Lord Prince. And by the way Lord Prince I want tattoo artist, me no know where him forward from, you know. Or who give him that the name there? Lord Prince. Who can name Lord Prince? That name they just grammatically incorrect, you see me? Anyway still, Chrissy got some booms and file for Lord Prince, you see it, and carry him up in a cool, make him start live some good life up in a cool, up in the England there. You see me? So some part in them relationship, I know say yo, you have to marry to get filed for. Either way. So some part in the relationship is like Lord Prince decides say him want cut, and Chrissy decides say yo, him not, she not having it. Yes it. And it's like what really upset Chrissy, what really upset female boss, as such name, is like say yo, Lord Prince go tell her say, you know what? Yo, you know say I only for the visa, I only for the green card make me forward. Me not really like it, you know, me can't stand you and all these things. Chrissy never take that lightly. You see me? So Chrissy released some incriminating photos of Lord Prince eating out the female anatomy. The dog a deal with it a weird like it was a burger. You see me? So that picture they float around the internet and all these things, and you know say Facebook hero, him ever have something to say. Him see the photo, him see the photo, and him make one like a skit and make one like a drama about it and put it on him Instagram. So me I go show you that video there when put on him Instagram right now.
Javi, Them can't style me. Yo, tattoo writer, so. But put your mouth over this, so. Mr. Tattoo writer, so put your mouth over this, so. Me see it. Me didn't know. Me didn't know. See that? You calm the fuck down. Eat pussy for the paper. Bumbo cloud. Hey, yo, guess lad. Don't do right yourself. But turn your mouth in the east, north, west, and blood class, son. Come in the north, probably they don't eat west, north, and son. But don't put your mouth in the direction. And the youngest cat. Get it? Young lad, me pussy cloud. Young cat. Anytime me see you, me I saw me I shoot you. Pew! Pew! Boom cat gunshot.
I don't know why Facebook hero always have to be so dramatic. Anyway, still, after that video was go up on Facebook hero page, Instagram page, it delete somehow. Like somebody report the post or something like so. Is it? And them delete it. So Facebook then go on his live to talk about the matter, talk about the situation.
The dog, you know, say, you know, say, every time my sister go over there dream, my sister call me and say, yo, my sister call me and say, one of them know who you be. Anytime my sister go over there dream, she get mad. For see a dirty blood clot foot. So look a dirty pussy girl over there dream. So look a fly pussy girl. When I'm a DM, I'm a black over there dream, go like the evil one can style me. Bitch, you know, say me a thief. Bitch, you know, say right now me can't go certain part of Jamaica because me a thief. You know, say I'm a thief from a blood clot brother-in-law, merely mad him out. Only didn't know that. Only didn't know say me nearly mad out my brother-in-law because I'm a thief every blood clot thing from him. Only know say me a original blood clot, the diated blood clot thief. You know how me a diated blood clot PMP? Yeah. No. Nicky, no. Nicky, anything me talk me do, you know? Anything me talk me do. And anytime me do it, me go on blood clot, tell you know. Because I now have my blood clot secret, no dog. I'm pretty. Anytime me do it, me I come blood clot, tell you know. Because I now go blood clot, have my secret, no dog. I'm pretty. Here if I come out with him blood clot, chest up off in my ear. Cause anything me talk, me now me couldn't first chat me, Nicky. Me now me couldn't first blood clot chat me. Me I spread my business out the first and then you know have it out there like a blood clot clown. You hear me I say, Nicky? Me I spread my blood clot Tory first and then who around the chatty first and then after me please say, here no hiding Tory. Here no hiding blood clot Tory. Me I go pretty. Me I come out as some pretty. Cause you now come put me out so like how you put out young boy. Me couldn't put me out like how you put up young boy. Me I tell you that, Nicky. I ain't me talk. No any no go so. No blood clot go so. Legalize what? Me blood clot come here with papers, Nicky. Me come blood clot papers. No, Nicky, me come here with papers. No, me come here with papers. Don't play me, Nicky. Nicky, my mother filed for me about 10 blood clot years ago. Yeah. My mother filed for me 10 years ago. I thank you. Yeah. No. Yeah. No, I'm sorry for him, brother. All people them. No, dog. Every time you over there dream, dog. So look a fly body, pitch by day, solar shit, girl, blood clot night. Listen to me. Me no business what a man want to do, you know, butterfly. I'm a video maker. Anything I see, I'm gonna make a video about it. If you don't like it, you unfollow me. Make you feel. Come me never see blood clot IG, Instagram, DM me yet. Ask why you shop. Why your name make me send a money come give you. I never see blood clot IG or Instagram yet. Send me and ask for me I cash up or why your name if you send a money through Western Union come give you. So anything me do on Instagram, I talk what I talk. Chit chat. Brother, When me a fuck them a gal, all if your phone a ring and me see she take you up, me chop off your blood clot and me get no karate show them chop. Me chop your blood clot answer. Yay!
Wrist God.
Wrist blood clot then up. We have to go you gone hospital. I break up your blood clot and them a gal who can't video me. Me a fuck you. A ring and you take up if you answer about. Mommy, it's an emergency. I chop your blood clot and let you. I broke your wrist. Cause on a blood clot girl out there so una set up man. Una set up man. Man, una I chop your blood clot and I chop off your hand. Me done make a video in my head already say, yo, this a video you me go make. Uno take down the one that me go make. We swear the one that me go make, uno take it down. Remember some me make one just a while ago now. Reach almost blood clot 900 comments for the blood clot minute. I wanna take it down. I go and chop off on the arm. Any video I go on, and me a video. Any video I go on, and me a video. Yes, man. Yo, Prince. What? What did you say? I fuck with last. Now fuck with me and fi chop them blood clot gyal. Come here, chop them blood clot gyal Nikki. Cause you a go. You when we start when me out stiff. Then talk about hero who dead when the little E. You have to pop out the phone when me out stiff blood clot gyal. You now pop out your blood clot phone when out blood clot dead. I have to pop out phone and put it in front of your face, put it from the back, I have ball. That's only blood clot thing me I do. And on my phone you I use. And on my phone you are use. My blood clot phone you I use. Me tired of running so. Me preach too much, you know. Me preach too much. Me tell you no, uno young boy, uno na blood clot here, uno too licky. When me dey dance a blood clot hotel, me got embassy to get me papers, and me blood clot go, and they say you not get it. And me go try again and file for you. And me file for you. And my mother file for me. Because eat for papers. And that kill me now. And that the part that kill me now. Eat for papers. He man nothing say. People gonna know say now. You got foreign because you name pussy for papers. You understand what I say? You don't try like get to youth and come a foreign. The world know say, boy, they are foreign because the boy can name a piece of pussy. And me and my 4 friends, them all your friends a chat you. Because right now, me can't wait till the 4 dogs them come here. We build up a domino table here, so are we going to chat you? Because we know who for tattoo you do over here, you know. And we know who are you there for where. So we say, alright then when they come, I told me a dog alone yesterday. But when some more forward, we're going to build a domino table. Build up 2 space for we going to slug and chat you. But I told we there, so we don't want to waste the chatting right now. Here we go on. We guys say, you know what I'm saying? You see me? Oi, we know some of the girl do worse with papers. Some of the girl I had all hooding on the ears. That's why no blood clot mix up so here when people are chatting, no can no ears jump big and blood clot wide. Some of the girl don't get clean blood clot shit, clean wifey shit for papers. Act like you have blood clot cause when you watch blood clot river maid or mama maid. What they call it? Mama maid, river maid, no house maid. Blood clot, house maid. So some of you go like you don't have blood clot, do things for papers. Hey girl, don't feel like me done. Some of you girl, you know, listen to me. Listen blood clot to me. Some of you blood clot girl on yourself, blood clot, all rubbish pan you not deal with for blood clot papers, you know. So keep on you look a pussy pampers or rock stone till I get told. Because you now go on like you know run so. You hear that? Leave her. I she feel it, I feel it, the female boss. Mr. Biddy, I'm a type till people one time people say, hero shagger black, you say female boss, hold it. No Lego. You hear me, I tell you. Me tell female boss you look good and you look zip pull by your pants this morning and your breast stiff up so in I hear and you look lace ring them right so and you look here wet by your head like you know them look here the part head from what you me see girl and with him, I don't know if I wet wig in him. But the one there we me see 9 too in here wet wig. But me call them wet puss. You know them where they me see them on the live. Yes.